So moving on, let's look at inheritance. So let's create a new file called heritage, yeah, stage, okay, .php. And right here, what this actually does is we can actually extend from another class, okay. So probably we have a class right here that we want to use. Let's just see how we can probably inherit from this class. We actually want to get this function right here from another class, okay. So the first thing we need to do is we need to start our php tag, and we need to require once. Let's just go ahead and require once, and let's call this class .php. That's the name of the class, that's the name of the file, class.php, which we want to use right there, okay. And we have the class right there. So the next thing we can do is we can actually say class, okay. You can say class, probably call it another name. So you can say another class, okay. Let's just go ahead and extend uh, the class right here, okay. So let's open this class, and you can see the class name right here, which is my class. So let's just go ahead and extend my class, and basically this is all we need to do. This is all we need to do right here. And when we give a new instance of this class, so let's just say $ another, okay, it's equal to new another class right here, okay. And we actually say $ another, and we can now actually have access to the sum method right here, and we can pass two uh, numbers just like we did initially. And basically this is all we need to do. And if we should come to our browser and we refresh, and you can see heritage, and you can see uh, this we actually need to echo this out. We actually need to echo this out, okay. So let's go ahead and refresh. You can see the result right there, okay. You can see the result right there, and you can also see the result from the class right here, from my class. You can see the results from here. So if we should go ahead and comment this out and refresh, and you can see just this result right there. So this is how heritage work. We can actually get methods from other class. So since we've done the access modifiers, and if we should set this to protected now, so we set this to protected right now, we can still have access to this. And if we should refresh, this is not actually working. And the reason why it's not actually working is because we're actually using it outside this we're actually using it outside this class, right? So to actually use it, you can just declare a method within this class that we have access to that. And to do this, we can just say $sign a public variable, okay. And this will be function, and this will be new sum, okay. And right here, all we just need to do is to return $sign this, and this will be sum, okay. And let's just pass those numbers right there, 20 and 39, which the result is expected to be 59. So right here we can say new sum, okay. And this is all we need to do. And if we should come here and refresh, you can see the results right there. So you can see how protected works, okay. And if we should change this to private, probably we're not going to see, we're going to get an error, because that's actually never going to work, okay. Cut to a private method, okay. So you can see how these things actually works, how they actually works. So I'll see you in next video, guys. Good luck.